Hi everyone, welcome to my Shoreline Studio. I'm Sybille Muschik. Let's do another snippet today. I've been making handmade paper in this case, and I thought I'd do this little, this is from a cookie cutter. Again, this is this kind of stuff you can get at Walmart. It's like a little sponge. And then I used a cookie cutter to cut out the shape. And for making cards and things, this is great fun. So I thought we'd do a quickie here, and we will try and do something like this, just on regular paper, just to show you. And then if you want to try it on fancier paper, you know, it's all allowed. Okay. So basically, we're going to ink our little round plate, our little round gel plate. This is a 4-inch gel plate. And we're going to consider the background first. So I have this color mixed up. It's gold, my acrylic, what is it, Amsterdam, and it's gold. And I've mixed it with my basics. This is the, what color is this anyway? Unbleached titanium. So, and I've added some medium to it, the golden open medium, just to make it last a bit longer. So we'll get it on there, just a little bit. Just give it a little bit of a glitter in the background. And we may work with texture. Maybe we can add a few little stars by just putting them in by hand. And I'm just going to add some cute little stars. There we go. Just at random. That'll be our background. I don't know if the gold will show up, but maybe. Just some marks. They're starting to look like Chinese characters. I don't want to get mail saying you're saying something really bad in Chinese. Please forgive me in that case. Oh. Anyway, let's print that. I'm just going to use a 5x7 piece of paper. This is a hammer mill paper. It's beautiful for printmaking. It's just a computer paper, but it's kind of special. Using my Baren to get the little, and we have a nice little base there. I don't know if it looks like stars, but it's interesting. Okay, so now we have to get, just to see our little tree. So what we're going to do is cover up the circle with a green, and I'm going to add, I don't know if we will do a quick ghost print of that to make sure most of the paint's gone. And I'm going to add, what's this stuff? Multimedia premium glitter acrylic paint. So this is Craft Smart. If it comes out, oh yes, a little bit too much. Okay. And I'm going to add some phthalo green to that. We want quite an intense color. Okay, so then we're basically just printing the tree. So blocking out. And we'll just position it. Because this is fairly sturdy paper, I'm going to be able to, in spite of the fact that this stuff is quite thick, we're going to be able to pick up that color, and everything else is blocked out. You can't do this with handmade paper very easily. I tried, and we'll post the results of that, but I had a few holes, not so good. You can use a little bone folder. Actually, I lost my bone folder. I'm still looking for it, so I'm using an old one. This is just wood. So I guess I'll have to send for a new one. It breaks my heart. It was a really nice one. But sometimes things mysteriously... I have garboonies, little creatures that hide things on me, and then I can't find them. Okay. That should have picked up the color pretty well. And we have our tree. There you go, and there's a little bit of glitter. So you can try that with all sorts of different colors. And of course, you can print the ghost print, which might be even more interesting. Because you have sort of an intaglio situation happening. Intaglio means line work. So there's sort of an outline. And if we really press hard, we might get all of that. Oh, yes. And there you have it. It's a fair amount of glitter. We have a little bit of the background showing through here and there. I think the ghost print is far more interesting. So that's our snippet for today. Bye for now.